Have you ever pondered why there are so many different branches of Christianity today? The answer lies in a pivotal point of history known as the Protestant Reformation. Our journey begins in the early 16th century. Europe was dominated by the Roman Catholic Church, which held vast political and religious power. But beneath the surface, discontent was brewing. Corruption, the selling of indulgences, and a perceived distance from the common man led to a growing call for reform. Enter Martin Luther, a German monk and scholar who in 1517 famously nailed his 95 Theses to the door of the Wittenberg Castle Church. This audacious act challenged the authority of the Pope and the Catholic Church, criticized its practices, and sparked the flame of the Protestant Reformation. But the story doesn't end here. Luther's ideas rapidly spread across Europe thanks to the newly invented printing press. This was a time when ideas could spread like wildfire, and Luther's did just that. In the wake of Luther's defiance, others began to question the Church's authority too. Figures like Ulrich Zwingli in Switzerland and John Calvin in France emerged, leading their own branches of the Reformation. These were tumultuous times, filled with religious fervor, political intrigue, and even wars. In England, King Henry VIII took a different route. Desperate for a male heir and seeking a divorce from his wife Catherine of Aragon, he broke from the Catholic Church and established the Church of England. This became known as the English Reformation, another significant offshoot of the Protestant Reformation. By the end of the 16th century, the Protestant Reformation had dramatically altered the religious landscape of Europe. It had fractured the unity of the Roman Catholic Church, led to the emergence of numerous Protestant denominations, and significantly influenced politics, society, and culture. To summarize, the Protestant Reformation, initiated by Martin Luther's 95 Theses in 1517, was a massive religious movement against the perceived corruption of the Catholic Church. It led to a wave of religious, political, and social upheaval across Europe, with key figures like Ulrich Zwingli, John Calvin, and King Henry VIII playing pivotal roles. The Reformation resulted in the creation of numerous Protestant denominations and significantly changed the course of history. So the next time you wonder about the different branches of Christianity, remember the audacious monk, the defiant king, the relentless reformers, and a time when ideas could and did change the world. The echoes of the Protestant Reformation still resonate today, reminding us of the power of conviction, the pursuit of truth, and the enduring impact of historical events.